time, sir, can I just introduce you for 1 minute about myself, and then I'll request you to kindly guide me so that how can I be a part of this group, sir?
Sure, sure,
Officially, sir.
sure.
Sir, I'm a, firstly, as I said, I'm a third generation.
Mrs. Sharma, before you introduce yourself,
Sure, sir.
I would like to tell that all my conversation they are recorded because I consider them that a energy, as
Right, sir.
generally it is uploaded on Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel,
Sure, sir.
because it is not the conversation between two individual, but it is intended for a cause.
No, not an issue, sir. Not an
Okay,
issue, sir.
okay,
Thank you so much for being so transparent, sir.
yeah.
Uh, Sir, firstly about my background, sir. As I said, I'm a third generation. My Nanaji was ex-Havaldar in the Royal Police, sir, and a
Mm-hmm.
Zamindar.
Mm-hmm.
My Dadaji was a very pious and a small farmer, Mirzapur, and he was into the activities involved during the time of freedom, sir,
Mm-hmm.
when we were fighting for the nation against the British. Then my father is an ex-Air Force officer,
Mm-hmm.
and he has flown as a nautical crew, Air Force officer,
Mm-hmm.
flown about 4 to 5 ex prime ministers of India and ex-presidents of India, and he's got registered flights with most of them, sir.
Oh, great.
Indraji, Atalji, and the presidents, has been with the kids during the time when my father, I was quite young when my father was there. So he served for a long time with them, sir.
Okay.
And I'm the third generation where I joined the Indian Armed Forces by choice into the Indian Army, though my parents wanted to be to go for medical and or technical side.
Okay.
So this is a small background about myself. So now uh, I came when I retired in 2002 pre-October, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Then I had a strong feeling that since I have come alive from the Indian Armed Forces,
Mm-hmm.
and my father, he's a veteran, sir,
Mm-hmm.
88 years plus, and my mom 78 plus.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought, why not to give my second inning back to the nation? And I am also on number of platforms where I am in sync with the government fighting, and fighting will be a different word. I mean, working for a cause for a crime-free India, uh, associated with various types of platforms like Rashtriya Police Samachar, UP Police Monitor Group.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I'm the senior national head for the youth, basically to motivate them to join the Indian Armed Forces. So
Great,
in
great.
Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha, which is led by Shri Rajshri Madam, she is the granddaughter of Shri Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Oh, great.
Recently, she had come to Ghaziabad. I couldn't go. I was medically had an injury, so I couldn't attend that. But we had a very hearty talk, and she said, "Definitely, when I meet you next time, next conference or a meeting on 15th August, she had come to Ghaziabad, sir."
Mm-hmm.
So there, and then a lot of other platforms like ISKCON and Dharmic platforms and there. And recently, I've been nominated by one of the organizations as my mother. I raised my mother's on the name of my mother. She is Prabha. So I raised a trust called Prabhasa, which doesn't have any kind of an account. Uh, it is basically purely helping the lower income group people, uh, and especially for the Veer Nadis, Veeramnas, and Defense Committee, Armed Forces Committee, sir. Whatever I can do for any kind of health extension, coordination with the defense forces or with the civil administration and local administration and all. So that is what I initially started with, and then slowly, I came to all these kind of platforms, and then recently I've been nominated as one of the organizations like you only, nominated as a vigilance and public grievance officer, for which the letters have been floated to uh, all the administrate the cabinet's secretariat and the judiciary department's norms. So with this, I mean, I've spoken too much about myself, sir. Now I wish to know about this platform and how should I join? How can I contribute? I'll be grateful to you, sir.
Uh, Mr. Sharma,
Yeah.
I mean, what is your designation? You were retired as a?
Sir, I retired as a colonel from which is equivalent
As
to
a
SSC rank, sir.
okay, I understand. I had been IG operation in Kashmir, and
Yes, sir.
very thickly जो है interacted with army, and so I do understand that, right?
I've served at the honor. I'm grateful to Indian Army that I've served on all the three border forms, sir. Starting from one end, goes to the JNK towards the western sector, that is towards the Rajasthan. Then Kashmir I've operated, and then Glacier I've been at the highest post that is called Siachen. Then Bana post that is 23,000 feet height, -50 degree temperature. Then Amma. Then I've been on to the Arunachal border, Indo-China border, this thing in Tenga and Tamang. And I've seen nearly 5 to 6 sisters of the eastern sector on Indo-Myanmar border, sir.
Great. So, Colonel Sharma, uh, I will like to tell that basically Indian democracy, it has been on the wrong track.
Certainly, sir.
Yeah, basically Indian population has been cheated by their politicians.
True, sir.
It is a fact on record, which we will be discussing sometime later,
Yes,
that
sir.
they shook hand with the British.
Sir.
Those were highly afraid, and they were running for their life, and they were just in a very miserable position to run this country, because
Sir.
there was a revolt like situation in everywhere in armed forces, navy, and they were virtually denial to obey their order,
Sir.
and they had to take the recourse to the Sardar Patel and everybody to plead that they are going to leave this country, and that's how the interim government was formed, and Nehru was given an opportunity.
Sure, sir. I'm aware of the entire military history, sir. We have gone through. It's a subject in Indian Army, and we have to pass it twice.
Okay. So basically, our politicians, they have done a nasty job.
Sure.
They shook hand with the Britishers and
Sir.
accepted transfer of power personally for their own gain.
Yes, sir. I'm also
It
aware of
was
that.
not intended for the country.
Sure, sir. That deal which was struck was by Panditji only, and nobody knew. I'm also aware of that, sir.
Yeah, and they accepted 565 states and two dominion status, and
Sir.
imposed on you a constitution. 80% of that is borrowed from Government of India Act 1935,
Sir.
and 20%, which was contribution of Honorable Ambedkar,
Sir.
that has been observed in violation. These nasty people enacted 55 laws in contravention of contribution or act or constitution of Indian constitution.
True, sir.
They are so nasty people that they are almost anti-constitutional people. Basically, there is some article 35A,
Sir.
and since Nehru was involved very intensively, because he was all the time safeguarding interests of the Britishers, and
Sir.
that's how the nasty article like 333 was incorporated, in whereby the two Anglo-Indians were nominated in our parliament.
True, sir.
Otherwise, there's just no reason why any Anglo-Indian should sit in our parliament.
Right, sir.
So article that Jawaharlal Nehru, since he was thickly involved in the uh, deliberation of constitution, so I'm very sure he was not an ignorant person, and
Sir.
he knew fully well that no article can be created by the notification of the president.
sir.
But he was not a plain-hearted people, and he was very sure that he can't go into the he can't take the matter to the parliament. So that's how जो है Article 35A was enacted without going to parliament and taking recourse of pressurizing Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And despite the fact they know fully well
Sir.
that Constitution has not given any special power to the Prime Minister of the country. All powers are vested in the Council of Ministers.
Correct, sir.
So, to be frank, that Prime Minister is having only one power. He can recommend the name of the Council of name to be included in the Council of Ministers.
Sir.
Rest of the things are need to be deliberated in the Council of Minister and to be conveyed. He is just a conveyor and the leader of the Council of Minister.
Sir.
Then under what capacity when in 1948 we are winning a war?
Sir.
Under what capacity Prime Minister went to the All India Radio and announced the ceasefire?
You're true, sir.
No, but whether the Prime Minister of the country is having that power?
No.
Without deliberation with the Council of Ministers, without talking to the Home Minister Sardar Patel, under which constitutional power he went to All India Radio? Nobody questioned it because we are very selfish people.
Yes, sir. In fact,
हम सब लोग अपनी नौकरी कर रहे हैं और बस उसी में खुश हैं और हमको अच्छी एक प्लम पोस्टिंग मिल जाए जिसमें भ्रष्टाचार करने का मौका मिल जाए, बस यहीं पे हमारी सोच टिकी हुई है.
खत्म हो जाती है सर. सही बात है.
I don't know how much agitated you are feeling, but I feel,
No,
I feel totally
I am aware when Panditji took these kind of steps, even in the parliament, there was a lot of noise against the decisions taken by the Prime Minister when he was abroad and he shook the hands and made all these kind of things. So he had narrated, I saw a video that I need not answer for everything in the parliament as to what I'm doing as a Prime Minister of India.
I am saying he was not having the power. Somebody should have questioned that bloody you don't have any power.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Constitution has not given you the power. Constitution has given the power to the Council of Ministers.
Council of Ministers. Yes, sir.
जो है ना, these all the powers have been usurped by these bloody politicians, and they have become bigger than the Constitution. They have become bigger than the Council of Ministers, which they were not.
True, sir.
Which they were not.
Sir.
So now, whatever you are doing, you will agree with me, it is not going to help the country.
Sure, sir.
Right? Now, I will basically, since you have got my message, so that message is having 5 links.
Okay, sir.
Have you noticed that or not? It is having a video, and video thereafter it is having 5 links. First link is about request to download Crime Free Bharat Mission app.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Though we are in process of creating another app, because this app is going to transform this country.
Okay, sir.
And this transformation is not going to come through these politicians. So it is capable of really defeating all political parties and all politicians put together. It is so powerful.
Great, sir.
And you need not to do anything. You need not to go to the for demonstration. You do not not to go to Delhi Chalo, no dharna, no answer, nothing of that sort.
That's a very humble and a very logical idea, sir.
Yeah.
I mean, generally people go for protest and then cancel march.
It is not
and this and
required.
that.
It is
not
basically,
required. Yes, sir.
if you do that, these bloody bastards, they are armed with the Decorian law, which was created by the British Empire to demolish, insult, humiliate, oppress slave Indians. So same set of law is still operational. So as and when they would like, they will crush you like anything. So it is a foolish activity to go for the protest, because they can kill say 700, 800 odd farmers. So they are not a nationalist people. They are absolutely criminals, basically.
In fact, sir, if I'm right, Indiraji's time also, and Nehru, Panditji's time also, and in fact, if I'm wrong, not wrong, when Rajiv Gandhi Sahab was alive, the constitution was mishandled, if I am not wrong. And
Saying mishandling is a very polite way of telling it. You
yeah,
deceitfully cheated Indian population.
keep it for it. Yeah,
I
so
mean,
you have cheated to me. You can use a stronger word.
let's not be very kind to these dirty politicians. They are not the
So,
nice people. They are not
so,
nationalists. They are not a patriotist.
so,
Say these politicians, they basically they choose how they choose their candidates on the basis of the caste, creed,
yeah, so.
race, religion, and narrow parochial political interest. Am I right or not?
You 100%, sir, 200%.
Okay.
The
Now,
entire lobby is aimed to, jeopardize the things to their interest, totally, purely for their interest.
that precisely I am saying that then these people they look for the winnability out
Uh,
of the shortlisted candidate who is likely to win. And it is very unfortunate कि for these bloody politicians, they
uh,
feel that if the bad person, he is likely to win. If he is
mm,
a gunda, badmas, makar, criminal, if he
uh,
is a married person, he is
uh,
likely to win.
sure, sir.
They don't see winnability in any good person,
Mhm.
right? And then these politicians they resort to tactics, which is common to all political party.
Sir.
वो फ्री भी बांटते हैं, दारू बांटते हैं, साड़ी बांटते हैं, मुर्गे बांटते हैं, पैसे बांटते हैं, गरीबों के वोट खरीदते हैं,
Yeah.
उन्हें रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करते हैं. एम आई राइट मिस्टर शर्मा?
Yes, sir. Very true, sir. In fact, the CM Delhi had been a very good example. Electricity free, water free, this free, food free, ये free, वो free. तो आदमी तो सर नौकरी क्यों करेगा?
नहीं, आप मक्कारी में मक्कारों की फौज इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं जो
हाँ,
देश के लिए लाइबिलिटी होंगे. संस्कार विहीन युवाओं, संस्कार विहीन नागरिकों की फौज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ देमसेल्व्स.
हम्म,
So now, Mr. Sharma, Colonel Sharma, my humble submission that fighting these people, it is a foolish activity because they are not likely to agree to you any good thing, right?
sir.
And they are armed with all kind of crushing you.
Hmm.
So as and when they will feel like they will crush you like anything. It happened in Anna Andolan also. They were sending the cabinet minister and everybody every second day or so.
Sir.
And when they came to them, they did the lathi charge so much so that Baba Ramdev had to run in a lady's dress.
Yeah, I remember that case. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So fighting, going for the demonstration, doing any kind of the demonstrative activity for arousing people is not the right way.
True.
So I have devised a way that I say कि कुछ नहीं करो भाई, वट एवर यू आर, आप जैसे भी हो हमें उसी रूप में स्वीकार हो. यदि आप दुष्ट हो तो स्वीकार हो, दुर्जन हो तो स्वीकार हो, अपराधी हो तो स्वीकार हो, राइट? यदि
Right.
किसी पार्टी के अंधभक्त हो तो भी स्वीकार हो, किस
सही बात.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से जुड़े हुए हैं, क्या कर रहे हो, इट डज नॉट मैटर. सो लॉन्ग यदि आप अच्छे भारत का संकल्प ले सकते हो
सही बात.
तो यू आर एक्सेप्टेबल टू मी. बिकॉज मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आज जो व्यक्ति जिन परिस्थितियों में पहुंचा है उसके दो कारण हैं. या तो
सर.
उसे परिस्थितियों ने वहां पहुंचा दिया, या
Correct.
उसे उसमें एक अवसर दिखा जो उसने अपने लाभ के लिए यूटिलाइज किया,
यूटिलाइज कर लिया. सही बात.
राइट? तो जब हम उसका इकोसिस्टम बदल देंगे तो वो दुर्जन व्यक्ति दुर्जन नहीं रहेगा. अच्छा, एक दूसरा पहलू भी है कि साहब ये व्यक्ति जो है अब तो इनकी प्रवृत्ति खराब हो गई है, ये तो दुष्ट हो गए हैं, इनकी तो आत्मा खराब हो गई है. तो दैट विल, पहला जो है जो काइंड ऑफ द इकोसिस्टम, जो 5 मौलिक अधिकार और 21 महालक्ष्य जो उसको मिलने वाले हैं, उसको कोई दुष्टता करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं रह जाएगी, राइट? अब सेकंड बात है कि यदि उसकी प्रवृत्ति खराब हो गई है तो एक ऐसा क्राइम फ्री भारत का सिस्टम बनाया हुआ है जिसमें बटन दबाओगे तो एक ट्रेंड वॉलंटियर आके आपकी एफआईआर आपके घर में आके लिखेगा, आपको पुलिस वाले के थाने जाना ही नहीं है.
Great,
5
sir.
चीज़ें जो है ना, वो आपके जो है परजरी के जघन्य अपराध हो जाएंगे। तो झूठी एफआईआर करना परजरी का जघन्य अपराध होगा। झूठी गवाही देना परजरी का जघन्य अपराध होगा।
Sir.
पुलिस के द्वारा जो है एफआईआर को तायद करते हुए झूठे कथन लिख लेना परजरी का जघन्य अपराध होगा।
Sir.
झूठी विवेचना करना परजरी का जघन्य अपराध होगा। और
Sir.
वकीलों के द्वारा मोटी फीस लेके झूठी बहस करके निर्दोषों को दोषी और दोषियों को निर्दोष बनाने का जो धंधा चला रहा
सही
है,
बात,
वो भी परजरी का जघन्य अपराध होगा।
सही बात।
21 टेक्नोलॉजीज विल बी जो है ना, विल बी फॉर द हेल्पिंग द पुलिस फॉर इन्वेस्टिगेशन। 15 दिन में ऐसे अकाट साक्ष्यों का संग्रहण संभव होगा जो आज की पुलिस सोचने की औकात नहीं रखती है। मतलब जिस
ग्रेट,
पुलिस
सर।
का मैं डीजी हूँ, उस वो पुलिस जो है ना औकात नहीं रखती है। ऐसे साक्ष्यों का संग्रहण होगा जिसे मैंने डिजिटल चित्रगुप्त कहा है।
और वाह,
और
what a
and
name.
and and the evidence will not only be captured, they will be logged with the hash value. Hence, a dreaded technology like deep fake will also not be in position to manipulate anything.
Great, sir.
And thereafter जो है now, say you are having such a nasty judicial system.
Sir,
Okay, for any small case it takes years together, 30 40 years whatever.
sir.
Now in this new dispensation there will be video based trial system,
Sir,
in which in this video based trial system,
sir.
in 30 days you will get justice, and you need not to go court. So
Harassment
we
is
have
gone.
we have generated distributed video based trial system.
That's
तो
great, sir.
जज भी अपने घर से ही करेगा, जज का पीए भी अपने घर पे ही बैठेगा,
अरे,
वकील भी,
that's
दोनों
too,
वकील भी
that's,
और पुलिस,
अगर
सब कोई अपने घर से ही देगा।
you have gone further ahead than the high courts, where they do the digital this thing, and the Supreme Court, sir.
इट इज ए टोटल ट्रायल सिस्टम।
Trials.
तो एक बंदे ने मुझसे कहा कि सर, डीजी सर, आपकी टेक्निकल कैपेबिलिटी को मुझे मालूम है। आपने 32 यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और आईआईटीज़ और टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूशन से एमओयू किया है। आपने 12 स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकाथॉन किए हैं। आपने खुद बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशन डेवलप किए हैं। तो आई एम हैविंग फुल फेथ इन यू। आप ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड वीडियो वेब सिस्टम के माध्यम से 30 दिन में जजमेंट तो मुझे दिला देंगे, लेकिन न्याय कैसे दिलाएंगे ये बताइए।
हाँ,
जहाँ पर जो है जज के नीचे बैठा हुआ मुंशी सबके सामने घूस खा रहा है।
सर सामने, सर मैं बता रहा हूँ, इवन आई हैड गॉन थ्रू अ फाइट केस वेयर आई मीन सर द सिस्टम हियर इज कि द मोमेंट दैट स्पीच इज फिनिश बिटवीन द एडवोकेट एंड द जज, the judge keeps her face, turns her face left or right, and that Munshi's hand comes straight forward. And it openly takes in front of everyone, sir. No, there is no one to say no or to object to that.
सो दैट प्रिसाइजली आई एम सेइंग दैट सामने वाले ने ये कहा कि भाई ये तो मैंने मान लिया कि आप वीडियो बेस्ड ट्रायल सिस्टम से 30 दिन में कुछ जजमेंट दिला देंगे, लेकिन न्याय कैसे दिलाएंगे। तो मैंने जो उससे जवाब दिया, कर्नल शर्मा, यदि आप सुनना चाहें तो वो जवाब मैं आपको भी शेयर करना चाहूँगा।
Sir, it will be my pleasure, sir.
ओके ओके। तो मैंने उससे कहा कि मैं सिर्फ 3 काम करूँगा उस बंदे से। पहला जो है, कॉन्टेम्प्ट ऑफ द कोर्ट एक्ट को रिपील कर दिया जाएगा।
Okay.
बिकॉज ये न्याय में सबसे बड़ी बाधा ये कॉन्टेम्प्ट ऑफ द कोर्ट एक्ट है, क्योंकि ये
Correct,
इनको
sir.
लाट साहब बना रहा है। ये लाट साहब नहीं है, ये न्याय डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने वाले हैं। तो हम 3 काम करेंगे। पहला काम जो है ना, कॉन्टेम्प्ट ऑफ द कोर्ट एक्ट को रिपील कर देंगे। दूसरा जो है, अपील 1 की जगह 2 हो जाएंगी।
Sir.
अपील अगेंस्ट द जजमेंट, और दूसरी होगी अपील अगेंस्ट द जज।
Sir.
अपील अगेंस्ट द जज ये नई अपील है जो मैंने कंसीव की है। ये अपील का मतलब है, आप जज पे आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि भाई साहब ये एविडेंस थे जिन्हें नज़रअंदाज करके आपने जानबूझ के गलत निर्णय दिया है।
True,
दिस
sir.
विल बी भाषा ऑफ द अपील अगेंस्ट द जज।
Sir.
और इसका वो कैसे होगा, सुनवाई कैसे होगी। जिस जज महोदय ने गलत निर्णय दिया है उसे खुद कटघरे में खड़े होकर अपने जजमेंट को डिफेंड करना होगा।
Great, sir.
अब वो यदि अपने जजमेंट को डिफेंड नहीं कर पाएगा तो डी पैनल हो जाएगा। डी पैनल का मतलब है वो जज नहीं रहेगा।
जज नहीं रहेगा। That's
तो
the way, sir.
महाअभियोग नहीं चलाना होगा।
हाँ,
और तीसरे क्लॉज के तहत उसके रॉन्ग जजमेंट के लिए उसे बहुत भारी कंपनसेशन देना होगा। और यदि सिस्टम ने एविडेंस कैप्चर कर लिया तो जज महोदय जेल भी चले जाएंगे।
सही।
जज का जो है एसीआर उसके बॉसेस नहीं लिखेंगे, जो वो जजमेंट देगा उसी की ग्रेडिंग के आधार पर उसकी एक परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स बनेगी, उसी के आधार आधार पर उसको ट्रांसफ़र, पोस्टिंग, प्रमोशंस और वो मिलेंगे। तो एक एक जना सिविल जज कैसे डीजे बनेगा, कैसे हाई कोर्ट बनेगा, दैट विल डिपेंड अपॉन कि कितना आपने डिस्पेंसेशन ऑफ जस्टिस किया है। आप बताओ, विद दिस प्रोविजंस आपको न्याय मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा कर्नल शर्मा?
सर जरूर मिलेगा। एंड आजकल की तारीख में इतना हवा बना रखा है सर कि अगर आप जज के अगेंस्ट में कुछ बोलना भी चाहें कि मैडम यस सर योर ऑनर दिस इज रॉन्ग, सो दे से इट इज कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट।
वो लॉर्ड हैं, लाट साहब हैं, और सभी अधिकारी और विभाग भी लाट साहब हैं।
और बोरे निकल रहे हैं सर नोटों के इनके घरों से।
हाँ, वो सभी के घरों से निकल रहे हैं, उनके घर से भी निकल रहे हैं, दूसरों के घरों से भी निकल रहे हैं।
That's true, sir.
चपरासियों के घर से निकल रहे हैं, बड़ों को छोड़ के।
That's true.
सिपाहियों के और चपरासियों के घर से निकल रहे हैं, तो जज महोदय को घर से तो निकलना लाजमी है। इट कैन बी जस्टिफाइड।
सर मुझे ऐसा एहसास होता है कभी कभी कि सुबह से लेके, जैसे कचहरी सुबह से चली 10:30 बजे से चली शाम के 5 बजे तक
जी।
अब 5:30 बजे तक और सुबह से लेके जो भी कलेक्शन आया, किसी ने 100 दिया, किसी ने 500 दिया, किसी ने मतलब कपड़े देख के वो लेते।
साहब अब तो करोड़ों में लेन देन होता है, तो छोटा मोटा बंद हो गया है।
हाँ नहीं, वो तो बैकडोर से करोड़ों का होता है सर। मैं तो फ्रंट डोर की बात कर रहा हूँ जहाँ सारी दुनिया देख रही है सर।
जी जी।
तो पीछे बैठते होंगे, तो जो बैकडोर से आया और जो फ्रंट डोर से आया, तो पीछे शाम को बैठ के ये लोग चादर बिछाते होंगे सर, नोट गिनते होंगे, सबको अपना अपना परसेंटेज देते होंगे सर।
पक्का 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 पक्का।
और उसी पे सर हमारे यहाँ न्याय हो जाता है। और यही प्रॉब्लम है कि सर पुरुष आयोग आज तक नहीं बन पाया है, और इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज गॉट नियरली
पुरुष आयोग और महिला आयोग की बजाय यदि न्याय की बात करें, न्याय आयोग की बात करें, देखिए कोई भी गलत ना कर पाए। भाई वी शुड गो इनटू महिला और पुरुष, हर किसी को न्याय मिलना चाहिए। कोई झूठी रिपोर्ट ना कर पाए, कोई झूठी गवाही ना दे पाए।
Correct sir, correct sir. Correct sir. I fully agree with you. I was just narrating my views regarding this. See the irony of the situation that the Indian Constitution framed in 1950 now, as on date, the President of India is a lady from such a remote background, such a humble lady. And people are fighting for, crores and crores. I mean, if you see the ladies, and I'm not giving a specific example. I'm giving general term because I'm doing a research work on this. Where what happens is ki a lady in social media will appear in prank. It's very disturbing. They'll appear in this kind of poses and they'll upload reels, this, that, wear all kind of clothes and all. But when they appear in front of the judge, they'll start crying and shouting and as if they are the most down-to-earth beggars in the world. And लोग सबूत की जगह सर उनका आंसू के आंख के आंसू देख के हो जाते हैं।
कर्नल साहब, मेरा ये कहना है कि हर कोई ये कर रहा है। लेट्स नॉट सिंगल आउट एनीबॉडी।
That's what I said. It's a generic statement. It's not pointed to somebody, but in particular.
तो बेसिकली यदि वो झूठी FIR करेंगे, झूठी गवाही देंगे, तो अपन ने कहा ना उसको जेल जाने की व्यवस्था होगी, जेल में जाएगा, नौकरी चली जाएगी। सो वी हैव नॉट क्रिएटेड राइट काइंड ऑफ द सेट। बेसिकली हमने तो लॉर्ड्स क्रिएट किए हैं। एज ए DG आई वाज अ लॉर्ड।
एग्जैक्टली सर।
मतलब कोई मरे तो आई एम नॉट अकाउंटेबल।
श्योर सर। That's what immediately I gave a call. The moment I saw that message, I said, generally, I'm sorry to say that the lower cadre police का feedback बहुत गलत है, and I have got a lot of evidences against them, and that is how I got into this thing. It is not that every organization doesn't have one or two fishes in the pond, which was said, but people की लोगों की जो gravity of grievance है वो काफी बढ़ती जा रही है सर, and we are bridging gap between our own organization which is all uniform, So, I mean, when I saw this, I immediately gave a call. "Okay, I don't know who is this General Officer Carter from police who is doing this kind of work. I must talk to him." And immediately I picked up my phone and just rang
So
up.
coming back, we will have a very detailed discussion. I will share a few documents. You go through that, and we will have a longer discussion. Let me come back to the my message and the five things that those five links are going to you know, transform this nation. So
Roger,
number
sir.
one, you are supposed to download that Crime Free Bharat Mission app, and
Download.
in app you go to the about the community, then you can have all kind of the document, all kind of the details, what exactly that mission is trying to achieve. So whatever I have discussed, everything is written over there.
Roger, sir.
And in the same app, down below, there's your profile. So you click on the profile. First of all, you will get auto generated identity card.
Okay.
It is auto generated, so you need not to request anybody. The moment you join, you are already having the identity card with you, right?
So,
it
hero, Roger,
it,
sir.
it is and thereafter it will give the details about the activity, means how many people you have added and things like that, right? And
Right,
then
sir.
there are the three links and three options to
Sir.
help you out to add people, and adding the people will put you in the merit list of the three kind, I mean. So
So,
the
Roger.
first is option is WhatsApp, and second option is copy link, and third option is the share on any media,
Roger, sir.
right? So in WhatsApp, I will suggest that you please share with everybody whomsoever you are connected, whether in the group format or individual format,
Roger, sir.
right? And second is the copy link. So for the copy link, I recommend that a group should be created of yours, right?
Right, sir.
And I will be doing at my end for you, right?
Roger. Yes, sure, sir.
Okay, so the name of the group is Achhe Bharat Ka Sankalp Samoh, and you are expected to add your own family members, your own relatives, your own friends, your own neighbors, and all the people you come across till this age.
Roger, sir.
Whosoever number you are having, you are supposed to add them without asking them. There is a
Okay.
condition, you will not ask them, because if you will
Okay.
ask, they will give you the so much of ज्ञान कि आप इतने कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि वो आपको भी कंफ्यूज कर देंगे, और आपको जो मैथिली संगीत बता रहे हैं उनको भी कंफ्यूज कर देंगे. So the condition is this, कि you add them, and then you जो है ना, the second channel is to subscribe YouTube channel. So the link is Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel. It is having more than 10,000 videos, which is telling the how this country is going to transformed, and not only be
Okay.
transformed, it will be जो है ना defeating all political parties and all politicians put together. They will be spending crores and crores, and you,
Okay.
without even spending a single penny, all the politicians of all the political party, they will be defeated. Is it not very surprising?
It's great. You are raising it's a huge army, sir.
Yeah,
Protecting the shield.
that precisely is the concept, right?
Like, correct, sir.
So third link is that is about the WhatsApp channel.
Sir.
So you are requested to join Crime Free Bharat WhatsApp channel. That will help you to get all my feed to you, right, through WhatsApp,
Right.
right?
Right,
And
sir.
next link is of that is the Telegram app. Are you using Telegram app?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to click on the link, and then you will be the part of the main group of Crime Free Bharat Mission.
Okay, sir.
And the last link, that is of my web portal,
Sir.
website. So you can go and peruse the website. It is under construction. All the document they are being uploaded. Once you
Sir.
will have that important, and you can reach out the YouTube channel, everything from the website itself.
Sir, sir.
So this is the way it has to be done. And then
Yeah.
basically this app is creating six
Yeah.
type of the merit list,
Okay, sir.
and merit list is of the adding people. So
Okay.
there are the three type of the marking system.
Okay, sir.
One mark is given for adding a member.
Right, sir.
And since it's adding on digital platform, on virtual platform, that is we have to come out of it. So there's a system that in your group you make a roster, and you
Sir.
are supposed to gather at one place invited by a person on the rotational basis based on
Sir.
the roster.
Right,
The
sir.
person who will be inviting, he will be getting 3 marks, and
Sir.
the person who will be joining,
Invited.
he will get 1 marks. And
Sir.
at that day, it is he is the hero of the show. So at
Sir.
that day, he will be sharing his link, and whosoever will join from that link, he will get 1 marks for that also. Since
That's
you are
good.
supposed to keep motivated the people who have joined through you, we
Sir.
have given the 3 layers. You are supposed to really motivate them. So it's not that I added Colonel SK Sharma, but
Sir.
I will insist SK Sharma ke please you should add your family members, your relative, and this and that, and then
100%.
whosoever you will add, yeah, that same person will be requested by Colonel Sharma to do the needful, and then and that's why. So there is a 3 label, right?
Right, sir. Right,
So
sir.
if I added, I will get 1 marks for adding you, right? If you
Sure,
add
sir.
somebody, you will get 1 marks, and I will get 0.15 marks.
Correct, sir.
The second level will you will get that the next person will get 1 marks. Colonel
Sir.
Sharma will get 0.15. I will get 0.1.
Okay, sir.
And the third level, that first person will get 1 marks, second
Sir.
will get 0.15, third will get 0.1, and
Okay.
fourth one will get 0.01. The
Sir.
purpose is that you not only add people but keep on motivating them to motivate others also.
Sure,
And
sir.
this merit list is created on the basis of these 3 marks. पहला
Sir.
मार्क्स खुद डायरेक्ट ऐड किया, दूसरा इनडायरेक्ट, और तीसरा जो है एक जगह पे इकट्ठा होकर संकल्प लिया,
Sir.
right? So this is the
Yes, sir.
strategy. This is basically enabling methodology, so that
Sir.
we can not remain dependent in the virtual world, but we should meet face to face, take the pledge, and then you are supposed to create a video when you are meeting. So
Sir.
मैं अच्छे भारत का संकल्प लेता हूँ, मतलब भाषा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, इट वी डोंट वांट
Sir.
टू रियली स्ट्रेटिफाइड इन द भाषा. आत्मा
Sir.
दिल
Sir.
से निकलना चाहिए. 5 मौलिक अधिकार, 21 महालक्ष्यों वाला अच्छा भारत का मैं शपथ लेता हूँ बस.
The
और उसका वीडियो बनाना है, वो वीडियो मुझे भेजना है टेलीग्राम ऐप से, और मैं उसे क्राइम फ्री भारत यूट्यूब चैनल पर अपलोड करूंगा. तो जो लोग देखेंगे कि साहब इतने लोग जो है ना अपना वीडियो अपलोड कर रहे हैं, दैट एनर्जी विल बी जो है ना
yeah,
इन्फ्लुएंसिंग
vibrant.
अदर्स आल्सो.
Well, yes.
गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way जो है, this app is creating 6 merit list. One of the
Sir.
village,
Sir.
second is of the mohalla, that is Parsad Kshetra, third is of
Sir.
the town, that is Mayor Kshetra, fourth is
Yes,
of the district, that is Jilla Panchayat Adhyaksh level,
sir.
fifth is state, so that is the chief minister, deputy chief minister, minister, and Vidhayak, and
Sir.
sixth is the nation. So
Sir.
prime minister, deputy prime minister, central minister, and MPs, Sansad, they
Sir.
will
Sir.
come from this merit list, which is transparently being reflected on the app every day, with every addition of new person.
Great, sir.
एंड इट विल बी सेइंग दैट नेशनल वाली लिस्ट कहेगी कि वुड बी
Sir.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर, वुड बी चीफ,
Would be
वुड बी
price.
जो है ना डिप्टी प्राइम
Great.
मिनिस्टर,
Sir.
वुड बी मिनिस्टर. और आज आपको प्राइम मिनिस्टर बता रहे हैं, और हमने जो है ना रात तक जो है ना 10 लोगों को और जोड़ के आपसे ऊपर पहुंच गए, तो वुड बी प्राइम मिनिस्टर मैथिली शरण गुप्त हो जाएंगे, एस के शर्मा डिप्टी प्राइम मिनिस्टर हो जाएंगे, राइट?
सर ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन करवा दो एक बार. तो we can sort out these kind of people, sir.
Yeah,
Great, sir.
this is the strategy. This is
Sir.
the strategy. Then now I will be sharing the documents with you. You can go through it.
Right,
And
sir.
with what energy? I will say that all those 5 things which I have suggested you, please do that immediately. And
Sure,
I
sir.
am just creating your group, so I will request you to please start adding your family members, your
Yeah, yeah, sir.
relatives, and everybody,
My
and
brother,
anybody and
boss,
everybody you knew till this point.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. In fact, I'll put up a lot of army officers who are retired and good
Don't go
people,
by
sir.
that. Basically, majority of the people, they are self-centered. They feel that they have done enough of the job. They would like to enjoy kitty party. They would like to enjoy golf. They would like to enjoy.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, I
So
do
I mean
understand.
that's the
नहीं सर,
problem.
ऐसे लोगों से मेरा ज्यादा संबंध नहीं है सर. I
मैं तो ये कह
believe
रहा हूँ
my
कि
circle itself
आ,
is like this.
मेरा ये कहना है आप तो सभी को जोड़ो. जिसको
Sir.
भागना होगा वो भागने दो उसको. आप अपना दिमाग क्यों लगाते हो जब आपको दुष्ट और दुर्जनों और अपराधियों में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बिकॉज यू फील यू कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म देम, तो फिर आप क्या
Sir.
प्रॉब्लम है आपको?
सही बात है
हाँ,
सर. हाँ, ये ट्रू सर.
चलिए.
मेरे जैसा कोई इच्छुक होगा तो वो खुद कॉल करेगा सर.
Very true. So with this, I would like to conclude, and
Thank you so
within
much.
15 minutes, our conversation will be first leg will be in the air.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, great. Bye bye.
Jain sir, and also I'll request whatever you're sharing, sir, if you can share it to me also. I'm adding your number to my this thing, my WhatsApp and
Yeah, you
my
please
mobile.
by immediately you do all those 5 links. Number one, download app. Number two,
So,
subscribe YouTube channel.
sir,
I would like to just suggest that you know how to bypass the algorithm of YouTube. Do you know that or
bypass
you
the
don't know?
bypass the algorithm of the YouTube.
YouTube. Basically, there's a biggest handicap is that you are being pumped the material as per the assessment of the YouTube only.
Correct, sir.
So it is being done through algorithm. But
Okay.
I have devised a way whereby you can bypass it.
Achha, okay, I'm not aware on
So
that.
I will tell you. It will take a minute more.
Sure, sir. Sir.
Basically you open your YouTube. Can you open your YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Should I do it right now?
do that. Yeah, please do that.
Just a second, sir.
So if you see, open your YouTube, down below you will see a plus sign in between,
Yes, sir. Seen, sir.
and right side पर सब्सक्रिप्शन एंड आपकी अपनी प्रोफाइल है, और
Sir,
लेफ्ट साइड
seen,
पर
sir.
शॉर्ट एंड होम है.
हाँ जी, सर.
यही है.
हाँ जी, सर.
ओके. तो आपको क्राइम फ्री भारत यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद जो सब्सक्रिप्शन वाला बटन है जो कि दानी तरफ है उसको क्लिक करना है.
अच्छा सर.
जब आप
Okay.
उसको
This is
click
after sir, after.
आफ्टर सब्सक्राइबिंग क्राइम फ्री भारत यूट्यूब चैनल, वो आपको हमारे लिंक से मिल जाएगी ना, आपको खोजने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो
अच्छा.
अभी आपने हमारा लास्ट मैसेज पढ़ा उसमें
सर, सर.
पहला जो है ऐप को डाउनलोड करना है, दूसरा यूट्यूब चैनल को खोलना है. तो यूट्यूब चैनल को खोल के सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. सब्सक्राइब
ठीक है.
करने के बाद इस सब्सक्रिप्शन टैब को दबाइए तो ऊपर आपको क्राइम फ्री भारत चैनल दिख जाएगी. जब आप उसको
ठीक है,
क्लिक
सर.
करेंगे तो उसके नीचे लिख के आता है विजिट चैनल, और जब आप विजिट चैनल को क्लिक करेंगे तो आप क्राइम फ्री भारत की यूट्यूब के अंदर घुस गए हैं. उसमें आप जो है ना उसका होम देख पाएंगे, जितने भी वीडियो जिस सीक्वेंस में डाले गए हैं उनको देख पाएंगे, शॉर्ट्स
सर.
जो हैं उनको देख पाएंगे, जो लाइव सेशन है वो देख पाएंगे, आप पॉडकास्ट देख पाएंगे, आप प्लेलिस्ट देख पाएंगे, आप पोस्ट देख पाएंगे.
Roger, sir.
Right? So now you are not governed by the algorithm. You can see the things at your pace.
Understood.
Right? So this is the way we can bypass algorithm of YouTube channel.
Roger.
With your permission, now I would like to conclude, and when you will study and you will do this kind of thing immediately, and
Sure.
we will have a next round of the discussion after 7 days or so.
Roger, sir. Pleasure, sir. Pleasure is always mine, sir.
Okay, thank you, Kanu
Sir,
Sharma.
thank you so much for giving so much of time, and it's it's my inmost feeling is I always recommend people to shake hand with the senior officers always, because that energy and the aura which a senior officer carries, those vibrations and no science can explain. It transfers from the one hand to another hand, one body to another body, one soul to another. So by listening to you, by shaking hands to such dignitaries and senior dignitaries, I feel more energetic and I get more vibrations, sir. So that is my philosophy, sir.
Now this vibration and energy should go to the 100 crore people.
Sure, sir.
That's we are sharing that document. एक विकेंद्रीकृत नेतृत्व व्यवस्था के तहत हम 9 दिन में 100 करोड़ हो सकते हैं, केवल 9 दिन में.
Great, sir.
तब ये सब राजनेता आपके चरणों में बैठेंगे, आपके पास और कोई तरीका ही नहीं है.
Sure, sir.
इफ़ यू आर फॉलोइंग इन द लाइन वाट एवर दे आर डूइंग. आपकी जानकारी के लिए एक चीज़ और बता दूं कि वी हैव क्रिएटेड वन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. इस नेम इज श्रेष्ठ आत्मनिर्भर भारत पार्टी. श्रेष्ठ का एस, आत्मनिर्भर का ये, भारत का बी, सबकी पार्टी है ये. एंड दिस
Okay.
पार्टी हैज़ बीन क्रिएटेड नॉट फॉर एनी पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविटी.
Right,
जो अभी
sir.
हमने जो 6 लिस्ट बताई हैं, उन 6 लिस्टों में जो नंबर 1 पर आएगा उसको चंद्रगुप्त का सर्टिफिकेट और
Sir.
उस स्तर का टिकट पहुंचाने के लिए बनाई गई है.
Right,
इसमें
sir.
जीतने की स्ट्रेटेजी भी है. जब आपको हम टिकट दे देंगे कि बीइंग पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, आप अपना नामांकन भर देंगे,
Sir.
यू विल बी सरप्राइज कि नामांकन भरने के बावजूद भी
Sir.
आपको ये कहने की स्वतंत्रता नहीं दी गई है कि आप उम्मीदवार हैं.
Correct, sir.
मतलब यू आर बार्ड फॉर डिक्लेयरिंग दैट आप उम्मीदवार हैं. तो वोट
Right.
मांगने का तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता है.
सही बात, sir.
बात समझ रहे हैं ना आप?
हाँ जी, sir.
तो वोट मांगने का तो किसी तरीके से सवाल ही नहीं उठता है.
Sir, sir.
राइट.
Right, sir.
सो व्हाट आई इंटेंड टू से कि
Sir.
हमारे जो गरीब लोग, क्योंकि सभी लोग जुड़ेंगे इससे, और
Sir.
गरीब लोग ज़्यादा होंगे जिनका
Sir.
वेरविदौल कम होगा. राइट.
Sir.
तो हमारे गरीब लोगों को हम जो उनको मिल रहा है उससे भी डिप्राइव नहीं करना चाहते हैं. तो
Right.
मैथिली शरण गुप्त का अपना गरीबों को कहना है कि ये राजनेता आपके पास आए तो इन्हें भर भर के लूट लो, क्योंकि ये अपने पिताजी का पैसा नहीं बांट रहे हैं.
सही बात है.
राइट. और
Right,
इसके बाद
sir.
जो है मैथिली शरण गुप्त अपने जो 100 करोड़ लोग जुड़े होंगे उनको कहेंगे कि हाथ में तख्ती लो, और कर्नल एस.के. शर्मा जो है, ही इज़ योर चंद्रगुप्त. तो वो कहेंगे कि साहब हमारे चंद्रगुप्त एस.के. शर्मा साहब का ईवीएम मशीन में सरल क्रमांक 3 पे नाम है और उनका चुनाव चिन्ह ये है, और मैं बटन दबाकर उन्हें विजयी बनाऊंगा. आप बताइए, आपको किसी के पास जाके वोट मांगने की जरूरत है क्या?
ना,
तो वो
बिल्कुल नहीं,
लोग करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करेंगे और हारेंगे. आप ये भी नहीं कहेंगे कि मैं उम्मीदवार हूँ, इसके बावजूद भी आप जीतेंगे. जीतेंगे कि नहीं जीतेंगे?
बिल्कुल जीतेंगे सर.
तो आप बताइए, आप आपको फिर सभी समस्याओं का समाधान दे दिया ना.
जी सर.
चलिए, विद दिस आई वुड लाइक टू कंक्लूड नाउ.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving such your precious time and such a beautiful concept. And I pray God that we see this totally crime-free India one day with all our jazba, josh and junoon, sir.
राइट. थैंक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम.
जय हिंद, जय भारत, sir.